Welcome to Engenius Films, sharing the genius of engineering. But first, what exactly do you think an engineer is?
Someone who fixes things.
Someone who kind of fixes things.
People who makes things and fixes things.
Is it something to do with cars and motors or something?
People at bike shops, they do engineering.
Someone who works on machines.
Sometimes engineers own shops, the engineering shops, and they've got to do paperwork and that.
It's like, yeah, someone who fixes things, but it doesn't have to be buildings, it can be lots of other stuff as well.
You fix stuff, you make stuff.
There's the two types of engineering, one that works with cars and then there's that one that's about like sciencey stuff and having to work stuff out or something.
Somebody who takes care of engines and makes them.
Well, really, any electric stuff or anything that is to do with electric or gas or water.
Some interesting suggestions there, but let's ask some engineers what they think engineering is.
The interesting thing about mechanical engineering is it's not just one job. You might be working on aeroplanes, you might be working on toys for disabled children, or in my case, 3D printing.
The best description I've heard is actually from our old head of department who told us that mechanical engineering is physics for profit.
A chemical engineer is somebody who brings science to life, so you can have a lot of experiments in the lab and you work on those processes to develop them and to make them available.
Biomedical engineering is the application of mechanics, the way things move, the forces between things. So it's applying that theory to medicine.
An engineer is somebody who takes principles of maths and science, combines them together and uses them for applications in the world.
A biomedical engineer is an engineer, like all the other types of engineers, that focuses research or interest on the human body or anything that can be used in a hospital, and also the study of the human body like it was a machine.
An engineer is someone who can use their scientific knowledge to come up with a solution to a technical problem.
Biomedical engineer is a person who is using the knowledge from medicine and engineering to create the medical devices.
Mechanical engineering can be loads of things involved with the way that physical forces interact with the structures around it.
A bioengineer is a scientist that works with materials, and we work with materials for medical application.
These are just some of the different ingenious projects you could work on as an engineer.